How will you define homosexuality for me?
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. So what, according to you, is homosexuality? How will you define homosexuality for me?
Homosexuality, I would say it's attraction towards people of the same gender. It's just that.
It's a scientific question or what? They do not attract opposite sex, rather they attract in a sense.
It's when two people of the same gender are in a relationship together. That's homosexuality. For me, it's the same. It's just having feelings for the same sex. I don't have a clear idea, but homosexuality means like
मेरा आपके साथ संबंध, मेरा इनके साथ संबंध, ऐसा ऐसा.
two same genders.
हाँ,
Two same genders. Yeah.
Someone, no, I cannot define homosexuality.
मतलब किसी ने भी मुझे एक आंसर नहीं दिया homosexuality क्या होती है.
Not generally what homosexuality is, but basically defined करना शायद is
But people who are attracted to same sex and all.
अरे सही पकड़े हैं. You know, we have taken 6-7 interviews since morning, and they were all female. So you're my first male respondent. I'm so happy to meet you. I feel like crying. What, according to you, is homosexuality? Define homosexuality for me.
It's like it's something from the inner side that one person feels about the same gender. It doesn't have to be like sexual. You just have to have a strong feeling for that, affectionate feeling for a person who gets attracted to that same gender instead of the opposite gender.
What if one day you woke up and you realize that you're a homosexual? What would be your first reaction?
One day I wake up every day and feel like I'm the homosexual.
I'll be a bit confused because
वापस सो जाएंगे ये क्या हो गया?
मेरी मॉम तो बेहोश हो जाएंगी नेक्स्ट दिन तो पता चलेगा
पंजाबी मम्मियों को ऐसी बातों में बहुत बड़ा हार्ट अटैक आ जाता है.
I would be a bit freaked out, but then it's okay. I mean, I'd be okay with it. I'd be cool with it.
Fine with guys. I'm totally fine with it. Yeah. Hottest girl.
Stalk the hottest girl on Facebook, Instagram, Sam. Yeah.
I'll be like,
Damn, I wanna fuck that guy.
Oh my God, that was scary. Tell me, do you check out girls?
Yeah, much more than guys. Stalking जागरूक हो गई लड़के Instagram पे you stalk girls more than guys because they're hotter.
I check out only girls.
Super cool. ये देश की आवाम फेमिनिज्म जाग गया इनका.
Sometimes, yeah, obviously.
I do that all the
Yeah,
time.
basically, I check out girls more than boys.
Yeah, all the time.
I do check out girls. Actually, I had a thought if I'm bisexual or not.
So even I had a confusion. I had a confusion regarding my sexual orientation. That's very common.
Exactly, like I know that I'm attracted to boys, but when it comes to girls, I'm a bit confused. Like if they touch me, do I feel comfortable? So it's like that.
Celebrity, yeah, but
No, only celebrities. I'm not talking about celebrities. I mean, will you check out our cameraman? He is not that handsome, but will you check him out?
I don't check out the people that generally I'm a bit shy.
Oh,
It's
he's
like,
a
not
bit
even
shy.
girls. I look like I'm gonna go.
You don't even check out girls.
Not like that, yeah.
तो इनके लिए एक थर्ड कैटेगरी है सन्यासियों की. They don't check out anybody. What do you think about Section 377?
I'd say that it's very wrong, and especially it's very shocking that the Supreme Court decided to criminalize homosexual sex again, because before it was not a crime, right? So I'd say it's a very bad thing, and this is India going back instead of progressing.
It's regressive, right? To say, yeah, exactly. It is aggressive.
Section 370 it should be allowed. Actually, whatever High Court did was perhaps for these people. I mean, homosexual. I feel that is injustice for them.
Actually, it's a good section, but homosexuality जैसी चीज़ कोई हो नहीं सकती है, which is wrong.
And that's just not, that's not right, because homosexuality, I guess it was considered like a crime or disease like 50 years ago all over the world. And nowadays, like, but in all the, first world countries, they have like accepted that. Like, it's not a disease or it's not a crime, it's a choice.
What is that one message that you would want to give out to people about homosexuality?
One message I would like to give is there are certain people, like I have friends who really don't support it, but at the end of the day it's your own choice, so just accept the people the way they are.
Let them live their life.
You should be free, you should have your own choice, you don't have to follow anybody, don't let anybody follow them. So if you want to follow them, you go for it.
Okay.
it should be legal here.
Okay.
And
Yeah. Get that?
तो आज हमने देखा कि दिल वालों की दिल्ली में लव कॉन्कर्स ऑल. दिल्ली वालों का हार्ट डजंट नो द बाउंड्री ऑफ सेक्स एंड जेंडर. तो अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो जल्दी से लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर एंड डू वॉच आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस एज वेल. थैंक यू. तो आज हमने दिल वालों की दिल्ली में देखा कि लव कॉन्कर्स ऑल
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं काम करती हूँ. मैं
लोकेश कैसे करती है पहले ये बता.
आज हम टीवी इसका रिकॉर्ड मत कर.
नहीं तू कैमरे की तरफ देख.